take with a kingship there from Kartel, you know. Kartel get the throne. Massacre, you know, king now, man. You can't say you're greater, you know, and you now move straight. A new world order we are taking, you know. Yeah, man, I will go get popcorn. I will go get popcorn. Hey.
Man, the one talk about country that US make it boom boom them. And one heap more DJ. For play my song.
The Gaza people, all of them are come on my page. All of them are come on my page, the Gaza people. The man know where I do. All of them come at about law, my man know where I do. Where I do. All of the Gaza people are coming on my page, but him know where I do. So not explain to me where I do. Yes, some him enjoy freedom. Oh. So enjoying the freedom means say if you take off your clothes and come front the internet, can wind up yourself with bonnet for my life. If Alkaline they do that, they would have done upon him, don't it? Don't talk it truth.
Why do you see man a burn fire and one bag of man a run follow high show speed, one bag of man a bow out, basically. You see if you come talk like a me come talk or Alan and come talk, oh you don't know top it talking man, go do music. I'm pain bro. You know see me I'm over to do House and Beast. Bro G, you know see me I promote me and Dexter Bumbleclad song Ambition. You know see the two artists them came up on the biggest platform them in the world. You ever tell me say me fi be ungrateful now?
Yo, wagwan my beautiful people, welcome forward to the channel. You don't know me deal with it over on my side, don't? Me have to big up all of the ones where I give thanks for life. Cause when you check it, life are the greatest. All who subscribe to the channel, leave them thoughts in the comment section and drop a like on a video. To them people, we have Nekofire and we have J.A. J.A. come up brawling and him make we know stuff. And him do the music with Movado and Dexter Daps. Him been a put up music and him not get no traction. Nobody now buy music, nobody now listen to them. And right now my people him furious, him a vent. You see what I say? So no one stick around and listen to that one day. And we also have Nekofire. Nekofire burn the fire hard on Vybz Kartel. Cause if you never know, Vybz Kartel make a post on him social media a couple days ago and him semi-naked my people. And it now sit right with some of the people them. People who have to make me know about the thing about the post you circulate with Vybz Kartel when post on him social media. But right now, Nekofire say, yo, that now sit well with him. Cause we have to go dethrone Vybz Kartel right now. Cause King we don't move like that. We don't post things like that. And when him dethrone Vybz Kartel, him a shove on the crown to massacre. Cause a massacre right now, I do the right thing. So my people, who don't want to stick around, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know on the thoughts in the comment section. Bye.
That's why I can't stop rate bounty killer and the boy can't tell me no. A bounty killer I'm a general. Me can't stop rate bounty killer. Cause when bounty killer in prime, when Bounty Killer in prime, Bounty Killer now do them something there. Me can't stop rate Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer I'm a general. I'm a done that in our music. I'm Movado. I do now. Busy Signal. Massacre. All of them. Me never see them man do not shake it. Them man them read for me. Them man them me see them me salute them. Me not read no boy we shake up dancehall. Hey, you know much effort to take. Hey, look at no pre the levels. You know much effort to take for your man take off in clothes. Maxine, big up yourself now, Stew Piece boss, you know. You know much effort it takes for your man take off in clothes, put on one bonnet, take off in pants, take off in shoes, take off in jewelry, turn on in camera, and then after that he play one song back at it, wind up himself, and then sit down and edit it, and then caption it, and then post it. You know much effort that take? You know much effort that take. You know, hear me just say a while ago. You know much effort it takes for him man take off in clothes and strip himself down to underpants. You hear me just say? You know much effort it takes for him man take off in phone and then record himself to him own song, then dance, doing look whiny, and then stop it, then edit it, take off your underpants, video him underpants. So when you take off your underpants, I'm going naked, you know, and then take off your underpants, video him underpants, and then him put all of them together and then post it. Yo, that shaky, brother. Me not care nobody wants to say, yo, that shaky. A lava, me say, a lava, a tile. Real man, no personal. A lava. I'm in a real cartel for that move because I'm never to do that. It's an agenda push, you know. Me never want to say it, you know. Me a burn off that is an agenda push, you know. And Kartel not to be the man for push off the agenda there, you know. Cause him sing the song there, you know. It's an agenda him a push, you know. That's why I break it down too, you know. It's an agenda, you know. Teacher, don't do that. Me done a war with Triple Fish already. To take him down. You can't be the man for the dancehall and you do that. It's an agenda you push, no teacher. Remember Bojo come out and Bojo stop bun batty boy, you know. Remember Bojo come out and he stop bun batty boy, you know. Remember Bojo come out and he stop bun the fish them. In a real life. And he decides to say, nah, sing back his song, boom, bye bye. Me not like it, hey, me not like that style there. Melt, me say. Are you sing that song here? Are you sing that song here, teacher?
I could dance till I see and you could have me have to sweep on me blood like Jamaica, me sweep on me blood.
Laugh at me say no. I take with the kingship there from Kartel, you know. Kartel get the throne. Massacre new king now. We are take no man. The king throne need to come off and head, man. No man. You can't say you're great and you not move like you're straight. You can't say you're great and you not move like you're straight, you know. I'm not depend that, you know. I'm Massacre king now. No man, I'm Massacre king now, man. You can't say you're great, you know, and you not move straight. A new world order we are taking, you know. Yeah, man, I will go get popcorn. I will go get popcorn. Hey. No. We can't take a shakiness, man. What the Gaza people, all of them are come on my page. All of them come on my page, the Gaza people. The man know where I do. All of them come at about law, my man know where I do. Where I do. All of the Gaza people are coming on my page, but him know where I do. So not explain to me where I do. Since like how you know where I do and him know where I do, me more know where I do. Because all of we talk to dancehall, you know. The think them come with the agenda. We burn them off, man. So when I come talk about Kartel know where I do, and you want the people them talk about him. We want say people them not talk about him already. No, him have the biggest song with Chris Brown right now. Not him kill dancehall. Not him kill Afrobeat. Not him get the most money in a dancehall as a dancehall artist. So we not try prove. We not say. We want no excuse. Yes, him not enjoy him freedom. Oh, so enjoying the freedom means say if you take off your clothes and come front the internet, come wind up yourself with bonnet. Yeah, man. Yo, the man like him, man. Hey, the man am more shaky, brother. No gangster not rate that man. The man am more shaky. Him sing that song, you know.
Love them as if a girl go lay down with another girl.
Remember him sing that song there, you know.
Man is a link said, but the business pieces. Said it na the west and it ready na the east. If a no girl lay down in your bed when time you know dead you can rest in peace. Man a buy dildo a buy batty grease. My son can't turn in a no Catholic priest.
Hey man say, man son can't turn in a Catholic priest. Me no rate that style there. It look like teacher go link Triple Fish. And Triple Fish let him one bonnet. Me no rate that style, brother. I can't make me rate that style. Hostile. All who say hostile say hostile. You somebody know you sound jealous. You sound jealous. Hey, me tell you say I be a little fish them. Hey, I be a little fish them, you know. Me don't tell them already, you know. If it was any other artist, the Plaza fans them would have dunk on them. Me I tell you, if it was the other artist, the Gaza fans would have dunk on them. Oh no, I'm not for say no. Oh no, I'm not for say no. I shaking this that man. Hey, people, me have 175 pounds for my life. If a alkaline they do that, they would have done on him, don't it? Don't talk it truth. If a alkaline did it, they would have done on him. Don't be real. Me I know they are reason. If it was alkaline did that, the whole of them would have done on alkaline right now. Yo, the news feed would have full of Gaza fans that I go out with beer something. Whole of Gaza flag of them, beer something. Me I tell you. If it was alkaline who did that in a bonnet and in a underpants, we said the whole of them would have out then and them numbers like a army, like American troops, and dunk on the vendetta. If I did massacre do it, would have be worse. You know what I said a while ago? But all them so silent when them boss go out shaking this. All them so silent. None of them can come out and say, Bossy, no man, Bossy, a wrong move. Wrong move. Wrong move. Hey, wrong move. Boy, you strip. Hey. The man turn with good. Hey, man turn with good internet in a taboo. Me can't believe Kartel turn with good internet in a taboo and turn it in a cookies. No, I'm not rate that style, eh? And I man sing God is the greatest, you know. Kartel sing God is the greatest. And the man turn with big internet in a taboo, cookies, back road. We not rate that style, eh? The man turn with internet in a good taboo, cookies, back road, and truck stop. We not rate that style, man. The man turn, hey, a real time me attack, you know. Hey, me no want to feel like a joke me a come give, you know. Me not rate that style, eh. Kartel can turn with good internet in a taboo, cookies, back road, and out a truck stop. In a sentence there. Me not rate that style, eh. That's why me have to rate the artist, yeah. Me have to rate the artist, yeah.
Oh, me end up with 30 songs where they are road. Since 2023, and me not do no work. Oh, me have 30 songs out if me not do no work. Me have 2 with Gully God, 2 collab with Gully God. If me not do no work. Me travel, me go do regular, me do, hey, I want, hey, yo, someone look like glass, but me bump back like internet and I put it cleaner. Stop, jump up and run up on a sub pussy out them here. When you see man out there do the thing. Cause when we drop mixtape, we don't ignore them, we don't ignore we song them, and when we come talk, when you say yo go do music, go suck out on the mother some man. Darling. Cause we don't know how we talk, and when we sing music, we don't ignore it, and then when we talk, we don't say we forgot do music, yo. But suck on the mama all who feel like we don't say nothing. Anybody me feel like it, any artist career me feel like we say something about me say it. Yeah, any artist at all, me feel like, just like how me feel like Beanie could have member say him have a song and him not have to take it from the one. If me feel like we say it, me say it. The man them a entertainer, I'm an entertainer, we're in the industry. When them a talk about me, them not care. So me a talk about anybody, me don't give a fuck. Me don't want nobody tell me where to say. I want me not to bomb buck like say. Zed, and me not angry, me just talk passionately about what me. Zed, but here I say now. Wanna stop act like you know bomb buck like some man who love man too much. You can't talk about certain man. You don't get vexed. One bag of man just get vexed if you talk about certain man. One bag of man start cuss if you talk about certain man. If them fuck up and you say them fuck up, you know if you say them fuck up. Oh God, you go sing song youth. Go suck out your mother youth. A 30 song me just drop on one mixtape. Songs were already released are out. In a 2 years. You don't ignore them. Now when we attack, you say go do song. We don't want to ignore we song them. Cause we not do no batty man business over TikTok. Cause we not in a true we not hardly come do that something here too. True we not come talk that kind of mix up. And true we not love man like some man on the pussy wall. That's how we not ignore we song them. But when we come talk against them and say yo them man have to burn up. Them man have fire quell down. Them man have get pick up for. Them man they are true them a friend make them not get burn. Them act like you know if you say nothing. Them act like if you don't sit down and watch them. And then them ignore. And when I talk, this is how they burn me. When I talk, them act like you know if you say nothing. Oh, you're not big artist, you know if you say nothing. Oh, dog, go do song. Pussy. Go do song where? Let me tell you this. Me and the average artist in Jamaica will try boss. Yeah. Me have to spend 10 times the amount of money where your artists in Jamaica them spend for bus. Zin, me have to travel across oceans and sea. Remember, foreign me live. Zin, so me drop 10 times harder than any artist in Jamaica for bus. 10 times. Remember that. When you not talk, when you remember say we where they are foreign as artists, we drop harder than the youth them where they are Jamaica for bus. Reason being, we know they are Jamaica night time for campaign and out every night now and go check boom boom them and go check Juxi them and Rooksy them and go check all of who hot and go out there with 100 man behind we and night time and promote with music. We don't have the luxury there. A foreign we live and when we left foreign for a week or 2 weeks, We have to come back and start life all over again. Cause it's not like Jamaica where you can wake up and drink rum special and burn weed and don't do nothing. You have to do something foreign or else you're homeless, nigga. You're fucking homeless if you don't do nothing foreign. So let me explain it to you. When you know they are chat and feel like so we life easy. And we life, see a London there. Them youth they can't tell you. Bad artists in a foreign. But he might get ignored in the islands because what? The world now look to Fort Lauderdale upper city for the next biggest dancehall artist. Them a look at Jamaica because Jamaica are the hub. So when we are foreign, our life set a foreign, no matter how bumbuckler bad we be as an artist, we job hard because we have to promote to get look pan. We have to try to catch the same momentum of Jamaica from America. It's not easy, my friend. Wanna stop things so we life easy. We have the hardest life as artists, for boss as dancehall artists. Wanna have to think about that if me say a London there as an artist. If him have to get up and go Jamaica, go promote himself. Pussy cost more than some man whole entire life. Wanna think say it's easy if you get up and go to Jamaica when you go down there. If 20 people are follow you, you're responsible 20 of them. If they're hungry, you have to buy them food. Remember, you wasn't here 3 weeks ago, you know. But the fact that you're here now, if you're here and they're hungry, it's your responsibility to buy them food, drinks, liquor, smoking. And you can't even say no because what? These are the people supporting your career and help push you. So you can't say no. You understand? So let me tell you this one, you know they are talk. Pussy somehow, you know. When you see we talk, when you love we make we talk. Because if we never talk somehow, no, but we don't even bumbuckler acknowledge we. Somehow we don't even look power we. No matter how much good song we sing, the facts that we are foreign, we life get more complicated. If we go to Jamaica, see a London there, make him tell you if I lie me I tell. If we go to Jamaica and beg a selector play a song, in charge with $400 to $500 just to play it. No man at Jamaica where down there China and get charged for $500. But because we are foreign, them think we rich, nigga. We rich. We don't need money. You understand? So we the America, them think we rich. We want a song to play in Jamaica by any selector, boom boom. Man, nobody talk how much $100 US make it boom boom them. And one hit more DJ. If you play me song, I'm here to bigger song than enough song where them push up. Bigger song, bro. I talk how much $100 US make it boom boom them. And one hit more DJ. If you play me song, I'm here to bigger song than enough song where them push up. Bigger song, bro. Enough song where them push up. Bigger song, bro. Bro, I don't have to hype myself. I'm gonna go listen to the mixtape. I just got type up J-A. J-A-Y-A. I'm searching me people and stroll through me song them. In a France, in a England, I get so much love from music. People who know my music compared to Jamaica. Jamaica them no support real music, bro. Them want you to cuss. And them want to tell you this. For instance, what do you see man a burn fire? And one bag of man a run follow high show speed. One bag of man a bow out, basically. You see, if you come talk like a me, come talk, or Alan and come talk. Oh, you don't know stop it talking, man, go do music. Dog, we drop over. You know how much music Alan and drop? You know how much music me drop? We don't ignore them, but the one time we talk about somebody who no like, who no see we, they don't know how to tell if we shut up. If I this so we have to get to no acknowledgement, we are going to talk, bro. We are going to say what we need to say. But we need to remember bumbuck like this. We are bad artists. We are singing real music. Real hits. The people could have learned 2 collab, 3 collab with Gully God, with collab with Dex, 2 with Dexter Daps. Bro, me don't want out all of them. But you think we could have learned so much collab if they had the fuck with song, bro? You think some my father grow? And me and Dexter grow? We don't grow. But we acknowledge each other through our work ethic and our music, bro. So now if you understand this, don't ever come and talk about I'm making music a problem. I true in a hype. We told the world already too. We go every continent already to bro. I chew no bum buckler hype. Some of the favorite dancehall artists them just travel from America to Jamaica to the Caribbean. Them not gonna nowhere else but this. And have them as the shit. Bro, nobody follow the stats. The stats are fuckery, but me telling you that. The stats are fuckery. Go look on iTunes right now. And tell me so the song where they are number one is not paid to be there. Cause you go see some more song out here where I play harder than it and I sell harder than it. But that's in number one spot. Some money take for do them shit there, bro. If me and London did rich, you don't think we would have the number one on iTunes when we feel like? Spotify whenever we feel like. Bro, on discuss with bro, on come like, bro, some of the time I want to listen for understand, brethren. Stop listening for answer. Stop, you understand London? Go check out with Spotify them. We have real streams over there. Real streams over my Spotify, bro. Real bumbuckler streams we have. We not have no paid for thing. Cause we not have the big money like them boy ya and them chopper boy ya. We have real streams. While I see some boy pay for SOE on YouTube and a full up bumbuckler Spotify and then the people them think say them at. When last I see one of them a France a perform? When last I see one of them on a regular type show? Shows that America, that Europeans book. Not a Jamaican in a Europe, you know. Me not talk somebody there England and a creep. One show in England. Me not talk show that people out of our culture keep. And send phone. No. So stop follow the stats. The stats are fuckery. Everybody pay if you look good out there, virgin. If me want to look like that, me just have to get somebody to pay for it. I go work the money and pay for it myself. Stats are fuckery, bro. That's a fuckery, bro. Just go look on it. And London, bro, I'm always dropping the gems, bro. So, you, trust me, bro. If you listen to me, I get a whole heap of jewels, bro. Because I tell you. I know you as a bad artist. You can perform. You can do it live and in a studio. Me give you same respect because me that give myself as an artist in a foreign. But bro, you can attest to this. And any boy where they are foreign, afraid to talk this, I choose some of them afraid of a system. But we're not afraid to talk this, brother. Oh, you mean? We need to do that, Alan, and anytime we co-sign that anytime, I'm ready to start at any time. And we are going to show up some of them. We are going to show up some boy where I fly come a foreign as artists. And show say them on them body. Bro, Jamaica people, them easy for chicken a dog. I tell you, them easy for chick. Easy, you know, see them use high show speed and chick them what they are. Chick everybody from the rasta them to the ballad them. Everybody get it. You see me? But we respect, bro. Me can tell you, bro. Me ready Alan and enter ready for show up some of them. Because, bro, enough of them no good like we dog. Them no great as we. Them can actually we life end up bring we yes, so unfortunately, we end up in the United States of America where we're trying to make a living for ourselves. But in all honesty, them pussy there with enough of them were hype and enough of them look a fan base where hype them up to. Them not ready, bro. Them is nowhere near none of our shoes lace, bro. Them can't write a good song. Them can't go past 95% of them can't even perform them song past stage, bro. Can't even sound good. Well, in a talk of phone like this in your hand, if it sound good, it's a whole different story, bro. It's a whole different story, dog. You see me? Whole different story in London. Remember, me tell you. But you know a user, you can do it. Critical about artists in New York too. And I know a few more up there. I know a few more down here so too. But more people to understand this, dog. A foreign we live. It's harder for we. We have to go 3 times harder than a regular artist in Jamaica where I try to get him name out there and try boss. You understand? It's harder for we. You see me? Just believe me, bro. But when you got, yo, that's what I say. All now, I have a whole heap of mixtape too. I have DJs them from all about. So, you know what you do for me to dark, link up one of the bad DJs them in a city and tell them say JN need them to do a mixtape, a 1 native mixtape. Dub plate and jingles and everything them I go get. Saying, cause I saw me I do it now, bro. I take it to the streets because I realize I be a pussy thing I go on, boy, and I take it to the street, bro. Me I go to the street, me I do my mixtape them all about. You have different DJs from everywhere. I drop a JA mixtape. Zane? You see me? So you have Immortal Sound in a Birmingham. Just drop one. You understand? You have London, Dan Mafia Barbie in England again. I drop one today or tomorrow. You have DJ Taita in England again when I DJs them from BBC, One Extra, when I look at New York them. I run with the thing them again. You see me? So, when you say Marlon famous, I connect up the link and you know it go. But then you have Rook DJ, you have DJ Juxifire in a Fort Lauderdale. I do one. You have DJ Cass in Miami. I do one. You have Nitro Sound in Canada. I do them own mixtape. Everybody basically I tell them own story using them 30 songs. Yeah. I tell them own story. How them want to do it, whichever fun way, whichever sad way. Just express themselves using them songs. You see? And so far, everybody are hard. Me understand? Me not drop everything yet, but me I make everybody drop them things on a timing. And so far, when me listen Immortal Sound, it a go hard. You see me, so I want to go listen to them mixtape, yeah, bro. Because I don't want to overtalk myself to, you know, dog. I don't want to make it seem like me I hype myself, you know. You see me? Hear this a man I know. Hear this as somebody who says smile. Bro, you know see me and my friend them do a big bumbo clot song when he am pain, bro. You know see me and my brother do House and Beast. Bro G, you know see me and promote me and Dexter bumbo clot song Ambition. You know see the two artists them came up on the biggest platform them in the world. You ever tell me say, me feel be ungrateful now and complain say me want more from them? Man, yo, that me see how some man just listen for talk.